Swear to tell the truth and the truth only.
I swear to tell the truth and the truth only, so help me God.
Yeah, general is actually not a salute.
Okay. I swear to tell the truth and the truth only, so help me God.
Thank you very much. First question, did you or any of your soldiers shoot civilians on the 1st of August?
I categorically refuse that the soldiers shoot anyone. The soldiers did not shoot anyone on August 1.
So the uniformed forces were not your personnel?
No. I categorically refuse.
Remember, you are still under oath, sir. Do you promise to tell the truth and the truth only? Say, so help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. Kunaka, I would like you to give your testimony of this side of things.
Chekutanga.
Firstly,
Ndangandiri chairperson.
I was a chairperson
Zanu.
of Zanu.
Youth League.
Youth is League.
Mai vakagara kumberi avo.
That mother sitting in front.
Ayawo.
That one.
Ndo vaitituma ivavavo.
She's the one who sent us
tendonolwa
to beat people up.
Saka handisi kuzopindura any question.
So I'm not going to answer any question asked by that mother.
Because ndeyanga ari boss wangu.
She was my boss. I was just a foot soldier.
Ma civilians haana kushutwa nemasoja, akashutwa nemazanu Pf youths.
The civilians were not shot by the soldiers but by the Zanu Pf youths.
Ugonzi nyika yakatorwa negidi hainga bvutwi nepeni.
We were told that the nation liberated by gunfire cannot be taken by a pen.